Hey everyone, this is Mac, your business coach, and welcome to today's virtual class session. Today we're going to discuss about the designing digital products with the Canva AI, and you don't need to require any kind of like a design skill or anything related to the marketing side. If you don't have any background in the creation of digital uh, templates or even any kind of an advert, you don't need to worry about it because with the Canva AI, especially with the Canva AI, we utilize different AIs as well. But with the Canva AI, you are able to create a number of designs, a number of clips, and also the number of static posts as well without any charges, without any subscription over there as well. Before we're going to start this meeting, um, in today's session, we also going to discuss about how we'll be able to use the free premiums on these AI tools, especially on Canva, on Cloud, and the ChatGPT to use like different emails and how we can generate number of emails to go into these areas to get the access about how we're going to create it, how we're going to create different adverts, how we're going to create different clips and all that. So without wasting our time, guys, let me just share my screen and we can learn about this session much more in a detail. Please do let me know once you see the screen. Okay, everybody can see the screen now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Sorry. Let me just log in with the credentials. Here we go. So yeah, this is what we got once we are logged in with our credentials on the CRM. This is the CRM of Bizlockr. With this particular CRM, we are able to log in and just going towards on the left panel, there is an option of my digital business. Whether you're doing a drop shipping, whether you're doing a affiliate marketing or creating your own digital product, you have to click over here with my digital business to check out different areas on the same tab. Starting from the courses, coaching program, community, digital products, digital books, sorry, or any other thing. If you want to create an advert or if you want to create any kind of a marketing material for these different courses, coaching program, community, or digital books, or even a shop site, you need you need to log in and utilize the AI tools. And today we're gonna utilize ChatGPT. First of all, Claude, and the last one is Canva. Now, and also, in today's session, we're going to discuss about temporary email generation, how we can create and generate different emails with the help of this specific website. We call it EmailNator, and the website name is www.emailletter.com. This is the platform where we are actually able to generate different emails, disposable emails. You can only utilize these email with the for these purposes, like to uh, to just simply log in and utilize the free access on different areas like ChatGPT, Claude, and the Canva AI. You know, it is important to create a really good brand impression with a really good post or an advert you're gonna create it. Uh, and it's not like in today's era, you know, it is totally up to the prompt, not about your skill set, not about the previous experience in the designing side, but it is totally about the prompts you're going to utilize and also the free, the usable AI bots or AI agents you have to utilize to create your own desired uh, advert, or you're going to call it like any marketing material from your end. First thing first, As we already had an idea, if you ever utilize any AI tool, right, it will give you an access for a limited time or limited offers. They will give you for like maybe 30 days or 40 days or some limited number of prompts you can generate it with from these AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Canva AI. So for that, if you want to go with like unlimited access, you have to go with like different emails. So what you're gonna do, first you have to search for email later, and there is a website says email later, the temporary disposable Gmails. You click over through that email later, and this is what exactly you got over there at that time. Now you have to do the same steps from your end. You have to disable the domain, disable plus Gmail, and the Google Mail as well. You just simply go with .gmail emails, so it will be more visible for you guys to create any or generate any email over here. The new email. Let me just generate it. So this is the new email, a disposable one where I'll be able to get the emails, to get the codes whenever I do really wanted to. Let me just show you guys an example. So I'm gonna sign it over here, and I do really wanted to log in with one of my temporary email. So I'm gonna click over through login and enter my email, which is right next to me. Now the question is how we can get the emails over here because it didn't open right in front of us, right? So you have to click over through this go button, and then you're gonna go back to the area where you are actually using this email. And now they're asking for a code. So if I'm gonna go back to this email and I reload the page, I can get the code over here at that time. So if you can see, ChatGPT, no reply, there is a code, temporary code. So we have to utilize this code over there at that time. I'm gonna click over and copy that code and go back to my ChatGPT and paste it over here and then continue. And this is how exactly it works, all right? Temporary. Uh, Let me just go with the see, phone number. Okay, let me just go with the with another email. Sometimes it will give you this kind of a error. It happens sometimes, but not every time. So you have to go check out like any other email while clicking over here, and then you have to go with like any other Gmail to generate. The, I'm gonna go with this one now and sign up. It sends the code. I'm gonna go with that particular code, clicking over through that go button. I'll be able to get the code over here. This is the code we're gonna utilize. So I'm gonna put that code over here and I don't know what happened with here. This try some of the emails to be honest. It will work. Obviously it worked for us and the other entrepreneurs as well. You have to generate the new email and then check out like which one does exactly work over there, right? Once you created the email and post it over there, once you're logged in with your own credential with the new email, you'll be able to create any AI advert from your end, right? So now coming back to this side of a Bizlocker, and if I do really wanted to create an advert of courses, thing like I do really wanted to create an advert of this. I want to copy this. Coming to my Claude or even Canva AI, I want to create a design for my course. Create a professional static post. This while it is creating over here right now, what we're gonna do with the help of Claude or any other tool, we can just simply ask for what kind of a description or content we are actually gonna utilize with this post, right? With the static or whatsoever the post you are creating over there. So I'm gonna go with like, this is my course, my course. I want to create, I want to mock it with the advert. What kind of content accordingly, right? And if you can see, I've got a static posts over here with different options, right? Like it will give me like option number one, two, three, and the first one as well. So it is up to me like what kind of an option I should utilize with these kind of options like which says enroll now or gives you a button over there as well. You can even backlink that button from your end. So you click over through this post, right? And if you can see there is a enroll now button, all right? For that button, you can utilize actually you can go with this, right? And add a link over here as well with your own product area on the BizLocker side, on your account side, with the actual course it is, right? You have to click over through that link, copy that link. This is how it works. And put that link over here, right? Once you put that link over here, it's going to be display and whoever going to click over here, they will come up towards this link. You can even download that picture and whoever just going to click over through this enroll now button, they'll visit the page of your own product. Are you getting my point? So this is how it works. So you use and utilize those static posts that will already have that kind of a button which will give a full information about that course or whatsoever it is. Because without doing or creating that kind of a static post or any post which will give a full view while clicking on that post, you can generate like number of customers and number of clients for that particular product or whatsoever you were looking for. And now coming back to this side of Claude, where we were just basically generating the good content for marketing that product or that advert from our end. So there are like different marketing contents over here right now in front of us. So with the help of Pain Point Hook, we can advertise it on Facebook, on Instagram. For LinkedIn purpose, you're always gonna go with like, so if you can see the Claude is basically categorized all these areas with different social media and the professional media platform as well. So it is not only for the TikTok or it is not only for the Facebook or even for the LinkedIn, but it will give us a full view about like different areas as well from the Facebook, from the Facebook, from the LinkedIn, the TikTok, and other rest of the social media platforms as well. So we have to utilize these contents whenever we're going to post that kind of a static post or any other creation from our end. Yes, there's a okay. If you don't, if you're not following anything, you can ask it. To be honest, you guys can ask anything with respect to the session at the same time. Zahida, Maham, if you do have any question and inquiry, like I've always asked, like if you do have any question and inquiry with the same time, you can simply ask me and I'll do repeat myself. So what I've done over here, first thing first, with the temporary emails, I've generated the email, I put it on the ChatGPT or any other platform I do really wanted to utilize, right? Once I've logged in with the temporary email, because why we are using temporary emails or disposable emails, because we want to get in and actually to utilize the free version of these AI tools, the best free version, where we are not providing any kind of a payment from our end, but we are actually creating different creations over here at that time. And with the help of Canva, trust me, this Canva platform, this is only like not only, but the Canva AI is one of the marketing AI or creation AI of like different designs. You can design your creation. You can go with like different images, create different clips over here as well, right? Create a short clip. You just copy your one, the content, and just wait for it. And you can also use this, create a good clip of advert. And here we go with the creation of a clip. If you can see, it is currently generating over here. It will give you a not more than like 10-second, a clip or a motion video over here that you can utilize from your end, and you can get number of customers and the viewers especially for that particular. And if you can see, this cloud is the area where we can generate even the script of that particular video. If you want to generate a proper video, not with this script, you're not satisfied. All right. If you can see, okay, there is a clip they just generated. All right. If I can see, this is not good. I don't know what happened with this Canva right now, but let me just go with the prompt, with the script, the whole script. I'm going to add it over here right now. Okay. So I'm going to copy this one, go back to the Canva and paste it over here. And that's it. And you have to wait for it to actually generate that clip over here with the Canva AI. It, it will generate a really good clip with the help of this description, right? B-roll footage, get instruction for creating this in Canva, create static. So it will generate a your option. It will it, they're gonna ask you about like what kind of a footage you really wanted to go with. And once it will be created over here, right, then you can utilize these images, these videos actually for the purpose of marketing on your end. So yeah, this is what it is, guys. Today we discussed about like how we're gonna utilize the first thing first, the temporary email generation, how we are able to generate number of emails with the help of email nature, and how we can utilize those temporary email to get uh, logged in or create our accounts on different AI bots, and also then we create it with the help of Claude, ChatGPT, and Canva as well to generate different videos and a static post as well. I hope, guys, this session is a learning and an interesting session to all of you. If you still got any query, any question, you can ask me or you can ask later on once you see the video from your end. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected with the BizLocker and earn a really good commission and an income as well. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a blessed day.